I wanted to show you something kind of neat I bought at Amazon, and that's this little, camera adapter if you wanted to, put your phone on, like a tripod. So, it's spring loaded, so, you just put it, in your cell phone. I have this, you wouldn't want to put it on that side, but, um, let's see. Yeah, I have this Sony Xperia um, that I have, which actually has a pretty good low light camera, which I bought this off Amazon too. And I bought these little ring things too, which are really nice. I love these things. They're really well built, but it allows you to, stick your finger through the phone to keep positive hold on it. And of course, it spins around in different directions, so, you can hold it any way you want. Um, but sometimes it does get in the way of things like this, so I got to put it like over here. But that's okay because, again, it's got a screw hole on it, so you can take your, um, so that's what sucks about this. I don't like have a cameraman or anything, so I gotta, like do this with one hand. Um, so I wanted to assemble this tripod to try to do a, some teardown videos and some printers and stuff. At any rate, yeah, you put one of those on here, and that allows you, that's just the design of my tripod anyway. It comes with those little sled things that are separate, but then kind of take it. And, oops. I guess that's how you lock it in, so, then it's all ready to go. And I also got a big, like USB cable is like 12 feet long. I also bought off Amazon, so I can hook it into a power supply, and because some of these teardown videos are going to take, generate a couple hours of raw footage. So fortunately, I do have a 32 gig upgrade chip on RAM on this. But yeah, the Sony Xperias have good low light cameras on them. That's one of the reasons I bought this thing. So pretty much just use it as a camera right now. Again, it's not as good as I would imagine it being, but it's pretty decent for an older cell phone. It's an Xperia XA. So, but at any rate, I just thought you'd find that interesting.